So you might have seen a lot of such frames on Instagram these days. This cool frame which just minimizes the screen and makes it look clean and smooth. Well, today I'm going to teach you just how to achieve that look inside of DaVinci Resolve, even on the free version. Hey guys, so now we're inside DaVinci Resolve, and here I'm going to show you how to get that cool mask effect that you see all over Instagram these days. So this is just a football clip I have. I just want to use it for a quick little second in my edit. So how am I going to use it, right? So you're just gonna add this one effect called SSE rectangle mask. To get the preset, all you have to do is visit this website sterlingsupply.co, and here you can go to this 2021 free presets. So just add this to your cart. It'll look like this. Check out, enter your information and you're gonna get it, and download it and install it and you'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna provide link to that in the description. If you have this, you can just apply it to your footage, and voila, you can already see that it has given some of that effect. But here, if you open the inspector tab right here, you'll have some more controls. For example, you can adjust the center of the footage right inside. So I just want the footage to be a little towards here, right? You can adjust the size. How big do you want it to be? Yeah, I think that looks much better. And yeah, so now the final step is this option you see, mask corner radius. This is what reduces the corners and gives you that clean, smooth, rounded corners look. So I put it to about 0. I think 0.17. That's a good area, and you can just add a little bit of a soft edge, like just that much, just give it a bit of a clean edge look. And so you're pretty much ready. If you just want to take it one step further, what you can actually do is go to the generators here, and here you have this paper background in DaVinci Resolve. It is pre-installed. It comes with DaVinci Resolve 20. So you can just take this and put it a track below this footage, and you can see that voila, you have this cool paper background with that footage. As you can see, that looks very cool. You can just add some text and make it look like a proper video, and do that type of stuff. But here is how you easily achieve that cool rounded corners look inside of DaVinci Resolve.